No. His palms were sweating, which means this area is called as his hand. This was sweating. I mean, pasina. He needed a towel to dry his grip. So polwat is a big kind of stick like this. Ilanti oka stick anmata, right? So if I wanted to perform, this is the stick which I am supposed to carry. And if there is continuous, what do you call, continuous sweating, wanted to have a towel to dry it. A glass of ice water quenched his thirst. So immediately he felt like drinking some water also. So he drank some water. It quenched his thirst. So quench means satisfy. So after drinking some water, his thirst temporarily came down, but hardly cooled his intensity. But it did not satisfy his intensity. Intensity, which means strength. Okay, so his డెస్టినేషన్ ఇస్ స్టిల్ అవే. అతను ఇంకా సాధించాల్సిన ఆ లక్ష్యం అనేది ఇంకా చేరుకోలేదు. సో లక్ష్యం సాధించే వరకు అతనికి ఈ దాహం అనేది ఉండిపోతుంది. బికాస్ కంటిన్యూస్లీ హీ ఈస్ ట్రైయింగ్ టు అచీవ్ దట్ వన్ ఓన్లీ. దిస్ ఇస్ వాట్ the astroturf he sat on was as hot as the competition he faced at the National Junior Olympics. So what kind of competition is happening? A very important competition is happening. What is the name of that? National Junior Olympics. So this is the competition which is going on right now. National Junior Olympics. So it is going on and he is feeling very, very tough at the moment. And he feels that his astroturf was also very tough, very hot. What is an astroturf? Let me show you the picture of astroturf. So this is what astroturf is going to be. Okay. So we'll see astroturf. Okay, so this is what, my dear children, the astroturf is going to be. You can see, so like a pitch, cricket pitch like untadi chusara. So competition is happening on this astroturf only. So it is like a artificial ground where if the special, I mean, if you have astroturf, what will happen is if anyone fall on, then they won't get any kind of problem. So they won't get any kind of physical injuries. So astroturf is a kind of platform or artificial form which is used by the athletes when they are performing. Okay, so Michael Stone, he is on that astroturf and it is very hot and he is feeling full of nervousness. And today is a very, very important day in his life. Now, the pole was set at 17 feet. So what exactly it says? The pole was set at 17 feet, which means ela untundante. See, this is what I can say. Okay, so this is the pole, right? And here it is set. So here 1 meter, 2 meter, 3 meter, 4, 5, 6. Likewise, the countdown is going on. Okay, likewise the countdown is going on, and here is the pole which is kept. Okay, so what he is supposed to do? He should run right now, and by carrying the pole in his hand, and he should cross. So 17 meet ante enta dooram vastadi oka average. Ippudu di classroom kada, see mottam classroom kante paina antakana height undannamata. So he is supposed to run and cross it. What will happen in case if he touch on this pole at the time of running by mistake? If his body touches over it, what will happen?
Fall down.
That is considered as foul. Yes, absolutely, Akshaya. Yes, that is considered as foul. Very great. So naturally he will get tension. And the speciality is this was 17 feet. So 17 feet, that was 3 inches higher than his personal best. So why he is so tensed is today if he is going to jump, what will happen at the time? Yeah, 17 feet. So far he has not crossed this 17 feet. Today is the first day or first time that he is going to face that. So ippadi variki try cheyaledu. So for the first time, if he is going to cross this, definitely that is going to be history. But we do not know whether it will happen or not, right? See, yesterday, I mean, there was one girl. I mean, what was there? Harmanpreet Kaur in Olympics. What happened? We were all expecting that she would get the discus throw. You know what is discus throw? A kind of sports equipment that is. So we have to throw maximum distance. She has performed very well in the previous matches, but she was not able to do it properly in the final, I mean the main match, in the semi-final. So every time we cannot expect that only good things will happen. Sometimes what will happen? bad luck. Okay, but whether we tried or not, that is important, right? Whether trial is important. So whether you gave up, whether you failed, that is secondary. So everyone should try once, and after that if you lose, let it be, because let the people say anything. I have given my best, next time I'm going to try. So this is what it is going to be. So Michael Stone confronted, I mean, he faced the most challenging day of his pole vaulting career. So this is what the idea, my dear children. The stands were still filled with about 20,000 people, even though the final race had ended an hour earlier. So here, one very important thing that you need to remember, that is Michael Stone is going to participate today, and there were more than 20,000 people. So the final race is already over. So right now it is not going to be the final race which is going to happen. So after final, sometimes in IPL, even once the final, before the final, losers final will be there, runner up, such kind of matches would be there. So here, everybody is eagerly waiting for Michael Stone's match only, Michael Stone's performance. So this is what the summary of the first paragraph. So what did we discuss? Michael Stone, he is going to participate in National Junior Olympics, which is a sport event, right? So he is very much tensed today. His palms were sweating and he is feeling something. And the reason for that tension is he has never crossed 17 feet. Today, the first time he is going to cross that 17 feet. So more than 20,000 people, they are watching him. So due to that, he is getting tension. So in order to avoid the tension, he drank some water. Still, he is targeting to become the successful person. He wanted to win that. So that is what the first paragraph is all about. Did you all understand clearly? Please give me the message confirmation. Sure. Understood, right? Okay, fine. So what do you think? Will he become successful or not? What do you think? We will see whether let's see whether he will become successful or not. And as I told you, this lesson is not written in proper order. Okay, very good. So now look at the second paragraph. It is not talking about what is going to happen to Michael Stone. The writer is completely talking about a different topic. I mean, it is not a continuation of the story. The writer wanted to tell us about the game that is called pole vault. So let us see. Now Michael Stone's story is still there, and we will come back to that story after some time after this paragraph. So let's see. The pole vault is truly the glamorous event of any track and field competition. So have you ever seen a real pole vault game? Not at all, right? So only through videos we can watch that, because here very less number of people participate in pole vault and all. So after the lesson is over, if anybody is so excited or if anyone is getting motivated, they can also practice pole vault, so that you will represent at least India in pole vault game and all in future. There are so many sports events where many Indians do not participate. So according to most of the Indians, they know about only one sport event. What is that? Most of the people are interested in which sport event? Cricket. Absolutely right. Cricket only. Cricket. And do we have cricket in Olympics? Tell me. Do we have cricket in Olympics? We don't have cricket in Olympics also. If there is cricket, definitely we may get a medal or something. But cricket is played only in few countries, not in many countries. So Olympic is the biggest sporting event in the world. Unfortunately, cricket is not a part of that. Okay, so let us pray that in future we will get the chance to be a part of Olympics as well. Anyway, so right now the writer says the pole vault is truly the glamorous event of any track and field competition. What do you mean by glamorous? Glamorous means attractive. Okay, it is the most attractive game in sports because people are so eager to watch it, and it is so stylish as well. For example, chess. If two people are playing chess, how many of you feel like sitting nearby that people and observing with a lot of interest? It is a very silent game, indoor game. There will be less number of people to watch. But if it is running and track and field competition, there are so many people who watch that one and they really get it. Okay, so day before yesterday, there was running competition in Olympics, 100 meter. Have you watched that program? Have you watched that? No, guys, you people do not watch at all, right? So there was a person, he has got 100 meter in 9.80 seconds. I mean, which is in less than 10 seconds, he has completed 100 meter running. Can you imagine the speed of that guy? Right? So Marcel Jacob from Italy, he was the winner of that. So here the writer says that pole vault is really an attractive game. The sportsman, I mean, the participant of this particular event combines the grace of a gymnast with the strength of a bodybuilder. So if you wanted to be a pole vault champion, you require two things. You require two skills. What are they? One is you should have the grace of a gymnast. Grace here, which means charm, or you should have the quality or beauty of a gymnast. Who is a gymnast? Gymnastics. So full form of gym is what is gymnasium antaru kada. ఈ gymnasium ante enti? Why do people go to gymnasium? Six packs, right? People wanted to look very strong and they wanted to become physically fit as well, right? So if you are a gymnast, if you are a gymnastic, what is the advantage? Your body is going to be very much flexible and you can be very strong and all, because when you are trying to jump over this pole, you should be very capable of doing that one. Physically you should be very strong. Also you need to have the ability of a bodybuilder. So flexibility, for example, if I ask you to do like this, how many of you are able to do that? It is quite difficult, right? So you should have the ability of a bodybuilder as well as you should be like a gymnast as well. That is what. Pole vaulting also has the element of flying. It also requires one more thing. It includes one more thing. What is that? Flying. So here, what do you mean by flying? Flying is running. So if you do not run, you may not be able to meet your target, because from far distance you should keep on running. After that you have to cross the bar. So it is very much mandatory, or you should be an expert in running also, because here is my destination. Imagine this is the bar which I kept like this, and I'm standing here with that pole. From here only if I jump, what will happen? Definitely I won't be able to cross this. That will touch my body. I should keep on running from far distance, and after that I have to overcome, like long jump and all. You have heard about long jump, high jump and all, right? So this is what. And the thought of flying as a high two-storied building is mere fantasy to anyone watching such an event. So here what does the writer say? So we, the people of or the audience, we feel that how the what you call the pole vaulter will be able to cross two-storied building, and it is just a fantasy, mere fantasy, just a fantasy to anyone watching such an event. So for us it can be like a dream, how the people are able to cross such a higher distance. For us it is like a fantasy or dream, but in real they are able to do that. Okay, so that is what the beauty of this pole vault. Today it is not only Michael Stone's reality and a dream, it is his quest. So today is the day of Michael Stone. I mean, completing his record, it is not only his dream, it is his quest as well. Quest, which means desire or mission. That is what. So he already determined that at any cost, he has to complete his personal record. Right. So what does this say? If you really believe in something, you wanted to do that, it is possible, my dear children. So right now we do not have classes, physical classes are not going on. You may have many problems. Sometimes network issue happens, but you should take a strong decision in your mind. So what is the decision that you are going to take? Irrespective of the difficult condition, whatever the problems are there, I am going to be a regular student. I will complete my works in time, and I have to make sure that my education is very important for me. I want to make my parents happy. I want to think about my career goal, right? So that you won't be any complaint at all. I can see that now there are, how many people are there? 13 people are there. Out of these 13, most of you are regular. The people who come regularly, they are regular to the class. Remaining people, they just come here as a visitor and they leave, right? So are we bothered about them? Not at all. We are not bothered about them. Sometimes we can make a call to them and ask the reason. They have their own reason, but you are the people who are giving importance to your academics. So here, the last line, you can see that everyone should have a quest to do the things. So you should have a strong desire to achieve something, right? So if you have the strong desire to achieve the things, you don't think about your comfort, you don't think about your difficulties. So it is highly important to have the desire in everybody's mind. Okay, so let us take Michael Stone as example and we'll continue. And I'm very sure that by the end of the lesson, you'll be shocked to see, or you will be shocked to hear the greatness of Michael Stone. Right now, let us get into the life of Michael Stone in detail. So when we started the lesson, he was in the ground, right? He was about to complete his last attempt. And after that, we learned about pole vault game, and the writer is taking us into the life of Michael Stone. Okay, so this is the last paragraph for the day. We'll take very less only. So this is what about Michael Stone's life. That is, As long as Michael could remember, he had always dreamed of flying. So it was his childhood dream that he would become a pole vault champion. So what is your childhood? Tell me one of your childhood dream. What do you wanted to do? Tell me one of your greatest thing. You people have told about dancer, classical dancer, this, that, and all. Other than that, something. It is not like your career or something else, but honestly, you wanted to get it done. Some kind of passion, some kind of interest. So last day somebody said that, sure, I just wanted to travel all over India once. So that is one of the passions, right? So because traveling is very great that you will get some happiness. So tell me some of your passions that you feel that I wanted to get it done. Nothing? So please start commenting. So Michael Stone could remember, he can say that, or we can say that he always dreamed of flying. Michael's mother read him numerous stories about flying when he was growing up. So he has got great support from his mother, and his mother used to give him great support. In what way? By reading lot of stories about flying and all when he was growing up. So today's children, do you think that you get stories from your mom and all? Where do they have time, right? Even if they say the story, do you listen? You don't like story? No at all. Yes, Tejasri, that is what. Most of us, we do not wanted to hear the story. If you start story, if they start the story only, we'll get అమ్మా నాకు దాన్ని ఇష్టం లేదు అన్నట్టు మాట్లాడతారు. ఇప్పుడు అందరూ గేమ్ ఆడుకుంటారు, మొబైల్ గేమ్, పబ్జి, అవి ఇవి ఇదే కదా, రైట్? సో మైకల్ స్టాన్ వాస్ డిఫరెంట్ because he used to get great stories from his mother. Right? How many of you get stories from your mother? Yes, so many are commenting no, no, not even a single yes also. That clearly says that how the mentality of people changed. Not only your mentality, our parents' mentality as well, right? So nobody wanted to teach any stories or anything to children. Yeah, her stories, there was a speciality for her story. That was, it was the story which always described the land from a bird's eye view. So Michael Stone's mother used to say the stories, and the speciality is that it had bird's eye view. So bird's eye view, which means it has the element from all the aspect. It has got the good, bad, and everything in that. One time, if you listen to the story of Michael Stone's mother, you will learn great lessons in life. Okay, now we teachers are teaching you these kind of things. From that, we do not know how many of you are going to learn. So this lesson is all about some failures, some success, how important to be this that. So many aspects are there. So similarly, Michael Stone's mother also used to say the stories which were very much useful for every person, and her excitement and passion for details made Michael's dreams full of color and beauty. So what helped Michael Stone to become successful? It was her mother's excitement. It was his mother's excitement and passion. So his mother used to give him everything he was in need of it. So right now, how you people are getting the support from your parents? They give you each and everything, right? Do they say no to you people? No. If you cry today, mom, I want this, I want that, I want cycle, I want mobile phone, I want book, your parents are ready to spend any amount of money for your happiness, right? So every parent is in such a way, they want their children to be happy. But many of us, we do not realize that our parents are struggling a lot for us. So try to make them happy, and you also be happy. Like, see, mother was giving everything for him to fulfill his dream, right? Michael has this one recurring dream, which means a dream which always happens, which always gets in his mind. That is what he would be running down a country road. Okay guys, so the time is over. So we have got just less minute left. We will complete this paragraph. Just 5 more minutes left. We will try to complete quickly. So what was the dream of Michael Stone? He would be running down a country road, which means village road. He would feel the rocks and chunks of dirt at his feet. So these sentences tell us how his practice was. He used to be in a village, and he used to practice through the road which was full of chunks of dirt. So what do you mean by solid piece of dirt? So if after the rain, what happens? Water gets mixed with the mud, soil. Then after, once it dried up, you can see that there will be solid pieces, chunks, that is called. So he used to run over there, and he used to practice. And as he raced down the golden lined wheat fields, he would always outrun the locomotives passing by. So his practice was nearby the golden lined wheat fields, which says that they had, it indicates that the farm was a golden wheat farm, right? What is the color of wheat? We know that golden color, right? So he used to practice nearby the field, and he even used to outrun the locomotives. So here, what is locomotive? He's a locomotive pilot antam, right? Locomotive pilot and every locomotive pilot, the driver of a train, especially the goods train, right? So ఇక్కడ ఈయన ప్రాక్టీస్, ఈయన ఎలా చేస్తారంటే ప్రాక్టీస్, ట్రైన్ వచ్చేటప్పుడు ట్రైన్ ని టార్గెట్ చేసుకొని ఈయన కూడా ప్యారలల్ రోడ్ లో ఇట్లా రన్ చేస్తాడు అనమాట. So that he can have little bit practice. The people who have watched Sultan movie, you can see Salman Khan's Sultan movie. In that also he is practicing in such a way. అంటే బండి అక్కడి నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఈయన కూడా ఇక్కడ రన్ చేయడం స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, అంటే ప్రాక్టీస్ నేర్పించడానికి ఎవరు లేదు, టీచర్ లేరు, ఇంకేం చేద్దాం, right? So that was the difficulties of those time. Ippudu for a small examination we give you the important questions, question paper pattern, 1 week preparation, then class school lo chi inga preparation ivanni nadustundi kada. Kani that was not the time in those time. So nobody was there to support him other than his parents. So what to do? Dreams should be fulfilled. So he used to do that. He would begin soaring like an eagle. So whenever the train is about to start, he would soar like an eagle. How does an eagle fly to catch its prey? He was also about to fly like this. So this is what the paragraph is all about. So with this we will stop for the day and we will continue. If you summarize, we can discuss that, or we can conclude that this lesson is about Michael Stone, a great pole vault champion, and he is preparing for his Junior Olympics competition. But the writer did not tell us whether he is going to be successful or not, right? After that we learned about the specialities of pole vault game. After that we discussed about Michael Stone's childhood in brief, and tomorrow we will continue to check what is going to happen and all. And everyone, so see you tomorrow. Okay, so thank you very much. Have a great day. Prepare well for the examination.